YouTube, Facebook, what's going on, everybody? This is Mr. Duty Calls himself. And guys, I got a really good cleaning video. Some wood flooring. Actually, it's not really wood flooring. But they call it that. It's vinyl planks. And so we're just going to strip all the wax off of here and bring it back to its natural state. So let me show you what we got going on. So customer found this. Actually saw our stuff on Facebook, watched some of my videos, called me up, asked me a few questions, and I told her I could come out, do a demo. So we came out and did the demo. They was impressed with the amount of knowledge of what I was doing, and so here we are. So I'm gonna show you what we did, the demo that we did. So this is the demo, as you guys can see right here. This is the demo portion of it. They want that. So this is all mopping glow wax they put on here. So we came here, we did the demo, they were super happy with that. So that's what we finna do. We're gonna take all of this wax off of here. But check this out, guys. So carpets was supposed to be clean. Yet again, shoddy work. So let's turn the light on. Carpet's supposed to be clean, but look at this. Stain here. Look at this. This is all staining right here. And I told them when I came out that this stuff here probably need to be buffed out or agitated. They didn't do it. So she elected to go with them. That's fine. But let me get started. Show you what we got, products and everything that we're gonna use. And we're gonna make this another happy client. Okay, everybody. So right now we are vacuuming the floor. We just prepping the floor up. So we'll make sure we get the floor free of debris as much as possible. Came down this way, so I'm gonna work our way back. Alright, I moved this stuff around, so. Alright guys, so we just finished up this little area here, and guys, you can see how much better these floors are looking from here to here. You can see the floors are restored back to its natural state. It's drying up in here. So I just got this little area here because I had to go behind the refrigerator. So we got to do that little area here, but you can see how much cleaner and richer these floors look. So what we're doing here is just working our way out, doing in sections. I'm working my way and just doing look at a section at a time. So right now we're just spraying. We're just spraying it down. And you can see already, I've already sprayed that little area here. So I'm just gonna spray back. And then we're gonna let that sit for a little while, and then what we're gonna do is we're going to scrub it off. So this job here is a total of 796 square feet, and 796 square feet, and the customer wanted us to bring this back to the original state. So let me finish up here, get everything moved over. I'm gonna let this sit for about a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna get this. I'm gonna show you the scrubbing process. All right, guys. So we already started the scrubbing process, and this section here, you can already see up along the wall, all that wax coming off of there. See how much better that floor over here look. And this is why it's important to show your work. All right, guys, so you can see over there, this is all what we done did. All over here we done did. Everything is cleaning up very well. I'm gonna put some defoamer in here. Foaming up on me, but yeah, you guys can see how well these floors is cleaned up. So you can see here, we even did this part, and then look at that. Nice that is. All right, I gotta get some defoamer in here. All right, guys, so just want to show you this little portion here. So we're doing the detail. This is detail work here. Old school doodle bug, you know, and the details is what really separates you. I mean, it really does. You know, I want to make sure that the corners is done correctly. Make sure you get these details in here. So good old-fashioned mop and glow, baby. You gotta love it. And if you don't have it, have this. You got these. You can take that off, and you can. That's an old method. All right, guys. Let me finish scrubbing up in here. All right, guys. So we're doing this little hallway now, and guys, you can see. At least you should be able to see and understand why the prices on these types of services are what they are. So this is a long, drawn-out process, as well as skill. You have to be very skilled at what you do. Nobody cares. Can't have, you know, the word oops in this type of service. Oops costs you thousands of dollars and a bad name. So, you guys see what we're doing here? And you can see over there what we done did. All right, guys, so I just want to show you the portion here. So right now we just, turn this off. So right now what we did was I'm just scrubbing the floor. I already agitated it with old school already. So now I'm just going over it with the blue brushes and just getting up anything that I did not get in the agitation. So I'm gonna show you this here. You see right now, we're just scrubbing the floor real good. And this is not hurting the floor at all. Even though it may sound like it is, it's not hurting the floor at all. And then start to suck it up and do a rinse. There you have it. All right, let me finish up in here and I'll show you the afterward. All right, guys, we're all finished with this job. Let me show you what we did. Floors came out amazing, as you can see. Here, the kitchen. Customer has left the check. So I'm gonna show you this liquid fifth and we can get on out of here. Guys, so here
goes the liquid fill.